Yeah, very nice. A little bit on the warmer side, but we're going to cool quite a bit and cool down quite a bit overnight tonight as a cold front is just on our doorstep. Now, kind of difficult to see here, but this is the leading edge. Some cloud cover and very few showers. A bit more rain in the central and southern Mississippi. And as far as any rainfall here goes, maybe a couple of little showers if they're able to hold together moving into Tangipahoa Hope Parish shortly. And again, if they hold together, maybe a couple of isolated showers in the next hour or two. At the moment, mostly cloudy skies, still kind of warm outside at 71, winds out of the southwest at 10 miles an hour, and still relatively high humidity. We're not into the cooler air just yet, but drier air is just on our doorstep. Have not seen the dew points dropping just yet from Macomb to Baton Rouge, but very, very shortly. And they will continue to drop overnight tonight. And as we wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be drier, it'll be cooler, and it will be windy as the winds will be picking up. We've been breezy most of the day today. Winds have diminished, but they're going to increase again overnight behind the front. And as we wake up tomorrow morning, winds will be gusting over 30 miles an hour. Now, the winds will settle by the afternoon, but still pretty breezy. And because of that and the low humidity, we do have a red flag warning for tomorrow, meaning with the low humid air and those gusty winds, good idea to not do any outdoor burning. It would quickly move any kind of flames. So we are going to be much cooler to wrap up the week, and even some frost is possible on Friday morning. Warmer, but a very pleasant weekend ahead, and our next best chance of rain probably not until early on Monday morning. This is the system that is bringing us our cooler air. Main energy well removed to the north, weakening severe threat, but still ongoing across parts of the Midwest. For us, though, thankfully, had no real severe weather threat. In fact, not even getting much rainfall out of the system, but we are getting is cooler air. Now, obviously, the core of the cold is going to stay up to our north. We will get a glancing blow, but cold enough to allow for some patchy frost to develop overnight Thursday going into Friday morning. Tomorrow morning will be in the 40s and 50s, but a high of only 65, 69 degrees on Friday, and then a little warmer by the weekend, and we will stay warm, or at least a little above average for most of next week. I'd mentioned that chance of rain on Monday morning. That will be with a cold front that is not really going to cool us down. No cold air with that one, but certainly cold air on the way. And our coldest morning will be Friday with a widespread frost on the North Shore. Now, with that next wave of rainfall, again early on Monday morning, could see some isolated severe storms, especially northern Tangi into parts of northwestern Washington Parish. That obviously could change as we get closer to the date, but just an indication of the storms that we will likely see, more likely during the early morning hours of Monday. So maybe a few late evening storms on Sunday, but most of the rainfall with the front looks like it moves in during those pre-dawn hours of Monday morning, and maybe a few lingering thunderstorms as we get the day started Monday. And that'll be the chance of any strong or severe weather. Could have some issues during the morning commute Monday and then clearing out. Again, the timing is certainly subject to change as we get closer to next Monday. Otherwise, very quiet weather over the next couple of days, actually right through the weekend. Chilly mornings with cool afternoons tomorrow and Friday, although even mid-60s feel pretty nice this time of year. That March sun angle is getting a little bit higher. 76 degrees our high Saturday. Starting to see a bit of an increase in humidity Saturday into Sunday, but still very nice. Chance of storms on Monday, a little less humid, but more warm as we head further into next week.